Describe Bahadur Shah Zafar as the last Mughal emperor of India. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me again. Today I will be talking about the salient aspect of Bahadur Shah Zafar as the last Mughal emperor of India. As we know that Bahadur Shah Zafar led the Mughal Empire at a time when the East India Company was completely captured the whole India. So in that sense, his period is not considered as an important period as compared to the other Mughal rulers. So despite all these factors, I would shed light upon the salient aspects of his rule or interesting information about the Bahadur Shah Zafar as the last Mughal emperor of India. As we know, he was the last Mughal emperor of India. He ruled from 1837 to 1857, during which the Mughal Empire was facing decline. It was a decline of political decline, it was the economic decline, it was a social decline, it was also a religious decline. Bahadur Shah Zafar was a great poet and calligrapher, but unfortunately he was not a skilled ruler, he was not a capable and efficient ruler as compared to the other Mughal rulers, and that is why he couldn't save the Mughal Empire from the decline due to his inability to rule, due to his inefficiency of ruling the big empire. So these were the important factors. So it doesn't mean that there are not other factors as well. So now I would highlight some other factors which are, you can say, not as significant as these one which I have just explained. So moreover, by the time when he ascended to the throne in 1837, it is told by the historians that the East India Company had completely captured, had completely taken over the subcontinent. यानी जब ये तख्त पर बैठा तो उस वक्त जो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी है वो ऑलरेडी जो है पूरे हिंदुस्तान पर उसकी हुकूमत हो चुकी हुई थी. In 1857, when a revolt broke out against the East India Company, initially Bahadur Shah Zafar, as the last Mughal emperor, refused to lead the rebellion. But after that, he had to lead the movement. But unfortunately, the movement of revolt or the movement of rebellion couldn't prove successful. और उसका नतीजा क्या निकला? That he was found guilty and he was charged with high treason, and finally the British court sent him to a Rangoon as exile, and where he died at the age of around 80. यानी कि जो रिवोल्ट है उसका ज़िम्मेदार जो है बहादुर शाह ज़फ़र को माना गया, और इसी वजह से उस पर हाई ट्रीजन लगी, और जो मिलिट्री कोर्ट्स थी और जो कोर्ट्स थी ब्रिटिश की, उन्होंने इसको एग्ज़ाइल की सज़ा दी. रंगून के अंदर इसको भेजा गया जहाँ पे इसकी जो है डेथ हो गई वहाँ पे. सो दीज वर द इम्पॉर्टेंट aspects of the Bahadur Shah Zafar as the last Mughal emperor of India. So with this we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with a new topic of history. Thank you.